This is what it looks like when recognition is scarce in your organization. Everybody's lined up to see if you're gonna say one thing nice. And then when the leader finally does acknowledge somebody, everybody pounces in and attacks everybody else who got recognized and gets mad at them because they didn't get it. So make sure that it's not scarce within your organization. Make it a regular thing, and then people spend a lot less time doing that at each other and a lot more time celebrating each other together. I'm Chris Littlefield from Beyond Thank You, and have an amazing day.